Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an intriguing question. Is Amazon losing customers to Temu? Let's break it down. First, a quick refresher. Amazon is a behemoth in the e-commerce world with over 300 million active customers globally. Known for its vast product range, speedy delivery, and Prime benefits, Amazon has been the go-to online shopping destination for years. But recently, a new player has entered the field, Temu. Founded in July 2022, Temu is quickly making waves in the e-commerce space. Its appeal? Competitive prices, a user-friendly app, and a focus on personalized shopping experiences. Customer trends and preferences. So, are customers really leaving Amazon for Temu? Let's look at some trends. Recent surveys and market analyses suggest that consumers are increasingly exploring alternative platforms for their shopping needs. Price sensitivity, a desire for unique products, and better user experience are key drivers. Now let's compare Amazon and Temu on a few critical aspects. 1. Pricing. Temu often offers lower prices, which attracts cost-conscious shoppers. Amazon, on the other hand, has competitive prices but also focuses on premium products and services. 2. Product range. Amazon boasts a massive inventory across various categories. Temu, while smaller in scale, curates a diverse and trendy selection, appealing to niche markets. 3. User experience. Temu's app is designed for simplicity and personalization, which many users appreciate. Amazon's platform, though robust, can sometimes feel overwhelming due to its sheer volume of options. Market impact. While Temu is gaining traction, it's important to note that Amazon's market share remains significant. The company is continuously innovating, investing in logistics, and enhancing its Prime membership benefits to retain and attract customers. In conclusion, while Amazon is not losing customers in droves, Temu is definitely emerging as a strong competitor in certain segments. The evolving e-commerce landscape means that companies must adapt and innovate to meet changing consumer preferences. What about you? Have you tried shopping on Temu? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.